Welcome! Are you ready to transform the way you approach design and problem solving? In this module on design thinking and methodology, we take you on a journey through the essentials of design thinking, one of the most sought after skills in today's job market. Let's dive in to see why this module could be your first step towards a future career in design-led innovation. So what is this module about? Design thinking and methodology is more than just a set of techniques. It's a mindset, a way of understanding and approaching challenges through a structured, user-centered process. In this module, you'll learn how to identify real-world problems and opportunities, how to generate creative solutions, and how to turn these ideas into tangible prototypes. This hands-on approach ensures that you are not only understanding the theory, but also getting practical experience designing solutions that will make a difference in the external world. Okay, so let's look at the key elements that will be covered in this module. At IISc, we have refined the process into 4 key stages. The first is identify, and the second is ideate, third is consolidate, and the fourth is select. And these 4 stages will go iteratively in order to build on each other. Each stage will build on the other to create innovative, user-friendly solutions. Starting with the first phase called identify, you will learn how to identify the right problems that are worth solving and define them clearly. Through market research, contextual analysis, and stakeholder studies, you will understand how to identify needs, how to identify key stakeholders, and how to dive into comparative analysis. These are essential first steps that will help you uncover opportunities and set the foundation for great designs. Next, we move on to the ideate phase. This is where creativity takes the lead. Using ideation techniques like brainstorming and synectics, you will generate a wide range of ideas. You will learn how to balance divergent and convergent thinking, and you will open up possibilities and then narrowing down to focus on the most promising ideas. After that comes consolidate. In this phase, you will assess and improve your design iteratively based on stakeholder and technical requirements. You will also gain an introduction to materials and process selection, helping you understand how to translate ideas into real, viable concepts using appropriate resources. Prototyping and simulation are very important for consolidation. So you need to learn how to build prototypes of various levels of fidelity so that you can test your designs. Through iterative testing and feedback, you'll refine the prototypes and ensure that they meet user needs and solve the problems that are identified. In the final phase of select, you learn how to systematically compare alternative designs so that you can select the most promising one. And of course, throughout the process, you will practice your presentation skills, crafting engaging narratives to present your design proposals effectively to your stakeholders. So why is it important as a part of product design? Well, design thinking is about identifying the right problems and opportunities and solving them right. You need to be creative in both. To find the right problems, you will need to understand your stakeholders. Who are the users? Who are the producers? Who are the distributors, and so on? What are their aspirations? What are their failings? What are the problems that are stopping them from getting there? Design thinking is a structured way to identify and fulfill these, overcoming the challenges along the way, making sure that every design decision is meaningful and grounded in real insights. With this module, you are not just learning design, you are learning to design with purpose, ensuring that your solutions are user-friendly, functional, and impactful. So how exactly does this module contribute to your product design skills? Each stage in design thinking, market and stakeholder research, ideation, and prototyping is designed to ensure that you have a comprehensive, data-driven approach to creating products. Imagine you are developing a new app or a physical product. This module will help you learn how to break down complex user needs, generate innovative ideas, and test those ideas until they are right. It's a complete process, one that helps you avoid costly design mistakes and long design iterations and brings you closer to delivering a successful product. So where could design thinking be beneficial? Where could you apply these skills? Design thinking is not just for traditional product design. Its applications span across any field, whether you are working in UI UX design or healthcare or education or manufacturing or even social innovation. Wherever there is a need to improve current situation that a user is in or a need to employ creative problem solving, you will be able to apply design thinking skills. This module prepares you to work across industries, giving you a versatile toolkit for today's diverse job market. So why would you consider design thinking even a skill? It is because it's a process that you will learn to apply and it will become your second nature. It's a process that is highly structured and highly teachable, and yet it has enough flexibility that allows your creative juices to flow. You are building adaptability, you are building problem solving abilities and a creative mindset that modern workplaces demand. Whether you are developing a new product or improving a service, these skills enables you to address complex challenges effectively and innovatively. Let's talk about the career benefits. For aspiring job seekers, the skills you gain in this module are a powerful advantage. You will have a structured methodology that's widely respected in the industry, a solid portfolio and a practical experience that proves you can turn ideas into real solutions. This sets you apart from other candidates by showing employers that you are prepared to take on challenges with a structured, user-centered approach that develops a viable solution quickly by developing and testing multiple prototypes and learning from these. In conclusion, design thinking and methodology is more than a module. It's a gateway to the world of design-led innovation. It is a gateway that prepares you to start a meaningful, successful career. Are you ready to make your mark in the world of product design? Join us and start your journey towards becoming a skilled designer with a toolkit that is valued across the world.